What are you doing?
Apple.
Sophia, are we going to have a baby?
Baby.
Yeah, what's the baby's name?
Name.
What's the baby's name going to be? Huh? Is it going to be Flynn?
Him.
What's that?
Him.
Flynn? What about Gus? Is it going to be Gus or Flynn?
Fin.
Flynn?
Gas.
Gus? Which one?
Gas.
Gus? You think it's going to be Gus? Is it going to be a boy?
Boy.
It's going to be a boy. Say hi to everyone.
Bye.
Oh yeah, where's the baby going to live? Sophia, where's the baby going to live?
House.
In the house.
No, don't house. Tree.